Well, welcome to Arkansas turkey season. So I just got back from Kansas last week, the Thursday evening before turkey season opened on Monday here in Arkansas. And it's been pretty tough. Straighten me up there. Been pretty tough here. Open morning, I sat down on a bird. I don't know if you know it or not, but it's super freaking windy, so you may not be able to hear me. Long story short, been pretty tough around here. Dad killed one in his pine thicket yesterday, so today's one more turkey with him. So windy right now. There's no way I could hear a bird unless he was right on top of me. But we're gonna see what we can get. Okay, well, yesterday was a complete wash. Wind was howling, and then it started raining later in the day. But this morning, I come up here. I got a turkey gobbling at me every now and then. But the problem is, I have no idea where the heck he is. He's not close enough to really define range, and I'm afraid to call too much because my neighbor's also listening. More times turkey gobbles, more chance it is someone to hear him, slip in there and get between you and him, and then it gets killed, which happens sometimes. It is what it is. But anyway, I'm trying to figure out where this bird is. We'll get set up on it. Shoo! Alright guys, I don't have much battery, so bear with me. My dad called me this morning. I was on the other end of the deadgum farm. He said there was a bird down here gobbling. So I cut tracks over here, got down in here, they got them gobbling good. Got that hen in here, and I'm right on the edge of a big creek. Come all the way around, and I wanted these turkeys to come up here on the right side. They kind of got hung up down in there. I hit them real hard finally. They come up. There's they're 2-year-old birds. They come up around just the way I wanted to. 30 yards, I shot. I don't know what happened. I crippled him. I was able to get another shot in on him, get him killed. But good Ozark Mountain 2-year-old eastern turkey. I got a long walk out of here, so I'm gonna hit the road. I appreciate y'all watching.